What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we got an engine mount for 2016 Ford Explorer. This is what this baby look like. There's a part number on this. This is the original part from the dealer, so I would recommend you guys get an original part. Okay, and there's all the numbers you need. You can pause the video and check that out. But the mount is located right down here. It has leaked out, so I might have enough clearance to get this engine mount. If not, I should be able to get this out. Okay, and this seems to be, yeah, so it's 4 bolts, and then there's 3 bolts, okay, on this side, and it is a big mount. Okay, so what I want to do is I need some clearance, so I want to kind of make some room. I want to take this line off, put it to the side, put this to the side. That way I can at least get the engine mount out this way. I did get a floor jack on the floor, as you guys can see, so make sure you put a floor jack and make sure you use rubber or wood to support on the oil pan, and this baby will come out. I'm going to get this off. I was going to try to take this off, but it just wouldn't come off. I think this would have been easier for me right here. And this is the AC line, so it can just sit there. Okay, do not push too much on it, it will break. So I need to get this 8mm out here and an 8mm over here, right over here, and this bottle should be able to kind of maneuver around. Okay, so let's see how that goes. And then this line can be pushed to either side to get the bolts out. So to see if the engine moves as I pump. There you go. It lifts up. I'm going to kind of reach. Okay, this won't reach in there. Okay, let me see, at least I could get this one out. Okay, that's out. Oop, where did it go? It went down. I'm gonna have to fish that. It went down somewhere, probably underneath this bottle. There you go. It's down to the floor. I'll get that. Anyways, I need to get the other A2. So I got the other one out, and this thing should kind of lift up and out of the way, and we should be able to kind of get this mount out this way. So what I want to get is I want to get a whole bunch of bolts, extensions ready, and the tools ready. We should be able to bang this out. So what I got on here is a 15mm deep socket. So with the extension and impact. So I want to loosen these off first, and I want to see how the engine reacts, and then we'll move on to the 3 bolts on the side, which are 18mm. So this hose is gonna kind of bother me, but we still should be able to fish it out without any trouble. That's that. Impact came off, and there's the last one on the other side. There you go. Engine kind of went down, so we can jack it up a bit. I just want to keep it in a place where it's kind of touching. Yep, there you go. Perfect. So this is kind of, oh come on, one-handed job for me. Be careful with that coolant pipe. Okay, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to get them all out, but they're most likely not gonna come out because, oh yeah, they are coming out. They do have some kind of locking mechanism on top. So you know what I should do? I should just get them all out with the impact. You know what? Let me at least get the 2 on the side here out. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do those by hand either. So guys, let me get them all out, and once they're all out, we should be able to do the other 3. Okay, so I got the 4 bolts out. Got them sitting over here. One fell to the ground. Now I'm gonna get these 18mm out. That's one. Another. And you see this bolt over here, this 8mm here, I would take that out too. That's a ground. Bang that guy out of there. Take this out too, so you have more than enough clearance. So there's 2 bolts, and there's one on the opposite side. Let's see what the engine mount says. Does it want to come out or does it not want to come out? So I'm gonna, this is gonna bother me here, but I should be able to get out. I'm gonna take this out also. So let me pull this off. Come on, almost out. Let's use our tool here. Okay, this 8mm gotta go. Oh. Make sure you put that back in because that's ground to who knows what. Ah, it's painted. Shit. All right, so that's that. So guys, give me a moment. I should be able to get this out. If I need to take this tube out, make sure you don't damage because this can break very easy. And all we're gonna do is so the mount is kind of out of its housing already. That pipe is kind of bothering me, but I should be able to get that out. So give me a moment. I'll be right back. Let me get that out. Okay guys, so there it is. This is the angle of attack you want to do. Get that, pop that off with both hands, and then you should be able to get this out right over here, just like that. So there's barely any leak in here. It's the minimum, but it had to go. Anyways, time for me to get this new one in. Let's remove the sticker. Want to be careful with the car here. All right, this packaging. I've never seen anything like this. They'll just put a sticker on to the mount. Okay, same way I got it out. So it was in this kind of direction. So putting it back, I'm gonna need both hands because it's gonna need to go back to its spot how it was. The AC line is bothering me, but there you go. I dropped it in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use both hands to line that mount, and then I should be able to get it in place and lock up all the bolts. So there it is. It goes in pretty easy. So you kind of grab it and pull it up once it's underneath here. So the line go up and you should be able to get that in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the bolts in, and then I'm gonna lock up all the bolts. I dropped one on the floor. I'll pick that up. And there's one that goes over here. By bolts, I mean like nuts, you know, nuts and bolts, same thing. Not same thing, but you guys got the idea of what I'm trying to say here. Okay, sometimes your engine will kind of move, so I kind of put it all the way to the back of the oil pan, so that way I have the best spot that it can be grabbed onto. So on this side, I need to get one bolt here. So everything is exactly where I want it at. So I'm gonna start banging these bolts in, and make sure your engine mount is sitting properly, like it's, because you don't want to kind of force the mount in, and you don't want the mount to lift the engine up. So kind of get it even. So I might jack up the engine just a tiny bit. I do want to get these bolts in first. Oh, that came off my impact. Talking about torque, if you got torque specs, torque it, but this thing is beautiful and in. So let me switch out my tools and get that last bolt. Boys and girls, there we have it. All the bolts are in its place. What I'm gonna do is, you see how the bolt kind of lifted the engine up? I really don't want that. So I want the jack to do that for me. Here you go, we have it in the spot that we need it to be at. Whoa. I don't want that happening ever again in my entire career of mechanic. This impact is gonna go to garbage. I mean, not the impact, the extension, because the head is back. It's snap on, you see how it just comes right off? It's not that, it's this shit. So a lot of people will say it's that little ring on the impact. It's not that impact on my tool. It's that piece of shit at the dealership at the manufacturer of Snap-on, I'm sorry. Oh, we can't guarantee you because you have to come to us. When you sold me the tools, I didn't have to come to you. Now they want me to ship these out. So this is the last bolt. After that, we're just gonna end the video. Because we got everything in its place. And do not forget, I dropped the 1/8mm in the bottom. I'm gonna get that. So do not forget this ground, okay? Very important. You will be in trouble if you don't put this back in, okay? This 8mm that goes here. Because this might be running the ECM, it might be grounding a lot of stuff. So we're gonna get this guy in, so this thing goes right in, just like that. 8mm and 8mm, and you're all done and set. So let me lock up the 8mm. You're not gonna see that part, but we're done, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys in the next video.